Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yegar Sahaduta Tarigan. I'm from class EFB 1G. My study ID number is 25111033. Here we will discuss the 16 tense in English. Okay. Materi, get to know the various type of English tense and dry express. Let's discuss the first one, simple present tense. As to express habit, general fact, or event that occur regularly. With formula, positive subject verb 1, negative subject plus do dois plus not for verb 1. Interrogative dois, does plus subject plus verb 1. A positive exam 1. I study English every day. 2. She work in a hospital. A negative 1. I don't study French. 2. He don't like coffee. Interrogative 1. Do you play the guitar? 2. Does she reading novel? 2. Present continuous, progressive tense. As to express an action that is currently taking place. Positive, I am reading a book now. 2. They are watching a movie. A negative, I'm not sleeping right now. 2. She is not cooking dinner. 3. Interrogative 1. Are you listening to me? 2. Is he playing football? With formula, subject am is are, verb ing. Negative subject am is are, not verb ing. Interrogative am is are plus subject plus verb ing. 3. Present perfect tense. As to express an action that has been complete, but still a connection to the present. With formula, positive subject, have, has, verb 3. Negative subject plus have, has, not verb 3. Interrogative, have, has, subject, verb 3. Exam, positive 1. I have finished my homework. 2. The has visit Bali tweet. Negative, I have seen that movie. He has eaten breakfast yet. Interrogative, have you done your project? Has he challenged you today? Number 4. Present perfect continuous tense. As to express an activity that started in the past and is still continue until now. With formula plus subject plus have has been plus verb ing. Negative subject plus have has not been plus verb ing. Interrogative have has plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Exam positive 1. I have been studying for the 3 hours. She has been working since morning. Negative, I have been sleeping well lately. 2. He has been exercising regularly. Interrogative, have you been waiting long? Has she been crying? Okay, number 5. Simple past tense. As to describe an activity or event that happened and finished in the past. Formula, positive subject verb 2, negative subject plus did not plus verb 1, interrogative did plus subject plus verb 1. Exam positive, I visit my grandfather yesterday. She watched a movie last night. Negative, I didn't go to school yesterday. He did like the food. Interrogative, did you see that? Did she call you? 6. Past continuous tense. As to express an action that was in progress at a certain time is the past. Formula subject was, were, verb ing. Formula negative subject was, were plus not verb ing. Interrogative was, were plus subject first verb ing. Exam positive 1. I was reading when you called. 2. They were playing football yesterday every night. Negative, I was sleeping at that time. She was listening to the teacher. Interrogative, were you studying last night? Was he driving home? 7. 1. Perfect tense. As to express an action that was complete before another action in the past. Formula subject plus had plus verb 3, negative subject plus had not plus verb 3, interrogative had plus subject plus verb 3. Exam positive 1. I had finished my work before dinner. 2. She had left when I arrived. Negative, I had eaten before the meeting. Had he had seen her before? Interrogative, had you studying for the test? 2. Had she met him before? 8. Past perfect continuous tense. As to describe an action that had been going on for some time before another past action. Formula positive subject had been plus verb ing. Negative subject plus had not been plus verb ing. Interrogative had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Exam positive 1. I had been studying for 2 hours before you come. She had been waiting all day. Negative, I had been working too long. 2. He had been sleeping well. Interrogative, had you been crying? 2. Had she been studying all night? 9. Simple future tense. As to express plans, intention, or prediction for the future. Formula subject will plus verb 1, negative subject will not atau won't plus verb 1. Interrogative will plus subject plus verb 1. Exam positive, I will call you tomorrow. They will travel to Japan next month. Ya. Negatif, I will not atau or I will won't go tree. 2. He won't eat spicy food. Interrogative, will you come with us? Will she join the meeting? 10. Future continuous tense. As they express an action what will be in progress a specific time is the future. Formula positive subject will be verb ing. Negative subject will not be verb ing. Interrogative will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Exam positive, I will be studying at 8 p.m. She will be sleeping when you arrive. Negative, I won't be working tomorrow. He won't be watching TV tonight. Interrogative, Will you be coming later? Will she be waiting for us? 11. Future perfect tense. As to express an action that will have been completed before a certain time in the future. Formula subject will have plus verb 3. Negative subject will not have verb 3. Interrogative will subject plus have plus verb 3. Exam positive. I will have finished the project by next week. 2. She will have graduated by July. Negative. I won't have completed the work by then. I won't have arrived yet. Interrogative. Will you have finished it by tomorrow? Will she have left before noon? 12. Future perfect continuous tense. As to show that a action will have been continued for a certain period of time is future. Formula positive subject plus will have been plus verb ing, negative subject plus will not have been plus verb ing, interrogative will subject have been verb ing. Exam positive. I will have been studying for 5 hours by midnight. She will have been working her for 10 years. Negative. I won't have been staying her long. He won't have been waiting that long. Interrogative. Will you have been studying all day? Will she have been leaving her for a year? 13. Simple past future tense. As to express a plan or promise made in the past for the future. Subject plus word plus verb 1. Negatifnya subject plus word not plus verb 1. Interrogative word subject verb 1. Exam positive. I will help you if a call. She said she would call me. Negative. I won't don't touch. Well, I won't don't touch that. Decide the words come. Interrogative. Would you help me? Would she go with us? 14. Past future continuous tense. As to express an action that will be in progress in the future, viewed from the past. Formula positive. Subject plus would be plus verb ing. Negative subject plus would not be plus verb ing. Interrogative would plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Okay. Exam positive. I would be studying if I were at home. She said she would be waiting at the station. Negative. I would be sleeping now. He said he would be working today. Interrogative. Would you be doing that now? Would she be studying tonight? 15. Past future perfect tense. As to express an action that will have been complete in the future, viewed from the past. Formula positive. Subject would have verb 3. Negative subject would not have plus verb 3. Interrogative would plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Exam positive. I would have finished the job if I had more time. She said she would have left earlier. Okay. Negative. I would have done that too. He would have called her. Interrogative. Would you have gone through? Would she have helped you? Okay, last 16. Past future perfect continuous tense. As to express a action that would have been continued for some time in the future. View from the past with formula positive subject plus would have been plus verb ing. Negative subject plus would not have been verb ing. Interrogative would subject have been verb ing. Exam positive, I would have been studying if I had been tried. She said she would have been working all day. Negative, I would have been waiting so long. He said we would have been doing that. Interrogative, would you have been sleeping at that time? Would she have been studying then? Okay, good morning. Thank you.